How's it, guys? My name is Brendan. Okay, so I'm a dude with slops and a t-shirt. I'm a master practitioner in real estate. I'm on my last few months of selling properties because I'm getting out of the game. But while I've got you here, this house, okay. So guys, let me show you. I'm gonna go grab the camera and show you guys what it's about. So right guys, here's the bottom of the garden. Okay, there's a boundary wall at the back there. So this is where it ends. Let's go from this side here. So here we go. I mean guys, look at this space. Check out that space. Okay. So this is the, what you call the south end of the house. This is it over here. Okay, so you do have a ensuite bedroom over here at the bottom. Ensuite, very nicely tiled bathroom. Okay, this is the kitchen at the back here. And you've got another door that leads here inside to the stairwell, which I'll show you just now. And this leads now to the front. So you've got access also to the front down there. So here we are at the front of the house. There's your garages. Okay, so we've got a JoJo tank inside there. It's half submerged. A backup system in there that's tied in with the municipality, so you won't even know that there's if there's water disruptions, you'll still have water. All right. Here you've also got a very nice little terraced garden up here. Here you got your gas. Here is now the back. Sorry guys, I'm a bit out of breath here. I'm getting excited. Okay, so look at this garden. First of all, it's stunning. It's like paradise. Okay, so I just want to get a remaining outside and then we'll go inside. So here you've got another level terrace. You've got lots of potential here. There we go. And then you've got your swimming pool, which is a constant depth. I think it's a 1.2 or 1.4 meter if I'm not mistaken, but a decent sized swimming pool. All right, so okay, let's go into the main house. You can see up there they got a balcony up there with a lounge at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna go upstairs first and then I'll show you guys downstairs. Let's start with the rooms while we got some good lights up there. Okay. Don't ask me what wood in this Rhodesian teak, could be mistaken, but guys, it's extremely well kept. It's a very neat house. A lot of love, a lot of memories. Here's all your living spaces upstairs, your master bedroom. Let's start there first. Here is the master bedroom. Beautiful, spacious, very homely. You've got a small little area there, and then you've got your ensuite over here. Full with a bidet, shower. Right, so that's the master bedroom. Here we've got a little bar upstairs here, a little nook. And then you've got access onto a balcony here, guys. Oh, look at this. This is it, guys. Feels like I'm on Beverly Hills. Check out this, guys. Hey. So, 3,280,000 rand, guys. I'm willing to sit down with you and explain to you the value that is inside this house. It's unbelievable. But back now to the actual house. Okay, so here's the outside again. Right, let's go in. That was the master bedroom. Okay, so let's go look at the second bedroom. Yeah, carpets, ceiling fan, built-in cupboards. Guys, this is a home. It really, it's not a house, it's a home. When you're walking through these corridors, rooms, you get that homely feeling. Look at this bathroom. Okay. Right. Bedroom 3. So 3 bedrooms here. Sorry, built-in cupboards. Okay. Right, the 4th bedroom. So this bedroom here is en suite, and it shares it with the 5th bedroom. So this is the 4th. This is a nice sized bedroom here. And there's the shared bathroom, which is a shower, toilet, basin. And here's the 5th bedroom. Look at this. This is lovely. Right, so that is the living area upstairs, guys. Not bad, eh? Spacious. Look at this. Right, so here we are downstairs. Living area, dining area. This beautiful grand piano, yeah, baby grand piano, guys. This unfortunately does not come with a house. So yeah, there's your downstairs living area, beautiful tiles, your large tiles. And this leads now through to the kitchen. Look at this stunning dining area here. Alright, and now we will go into the kitchen. Check out this. Now, the man cave. Okay. So you've got a double garage and a single garage. They are connected inside there, all automated doors. Then you've also got this area here that you could essentially use as a garage if you want to, or you could keep it as is, as it's known as the man cave. So if you want to do a deal, but not with the pushy sales sign, high commission, come put pen paper, I need to be star on the charts on Monday, guys, get in touch with me, guys. It is a normally priced house, and I can tell you now, the person that buys this is getting such good bang for buck. It's in a very good area. This area is known as Little Switzerland, obviously because of this valley here, but it's a good house. So guys, thanks again, thanks for tuning in. And get in touch with me. It's the 18th of August. I don't think this house will stay on the market for that much longer.